Hello, my name is David Samuji. Welcome to this daily t-shirt design. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Welcome. I design daily t-shirts for you guys. T-shirt that make you passive income. If that's what you're interested to learn, then stick around. I'll show you how to design quality shirts, super cool designs, easy to do designs that can be easily sold on Match by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, and Teespring. If this is something you want, then please don't click off of this video. I would advise you watch to the very end. It's going to be a very short one. I'm not going to take your time. And when you're done watching, please make sure you come back to watch this video to show you the best print on demand site. And if you scroll down a bit more, I'm going to show you how to put tags. This one, I'm going to show you how to use Redbubble tags. So those two videos are very important. Make sure you watch this. What them after this video. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this video. So we are doing this in Canva. It's not going to take your time. If you already have your design, you have to skip some process. Like me, I already have the design, but if you don't have the design, you have to come up with your design, make some sketch. So don't need to be complicated, super easy design. Just make sure you follow hobbies, doctor's pilots, cartoon characters, and so forth. Just follow hobbies and you're good to go. So with this, we're going to create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4000 by 5400. Yeah, this is the standard. Pixel, not inches, not big, not MP, not CP. Yeah, you get what I mean. So please stick around. Hope you enjoy the video. I can see it's a better quality than other videos used to be. It's clearer. You can see pitch perfectly into this, and the audio is better. Yes, that's an improvement I just made. So please, if you want to support the channel, please let me know and I'll be willing to send you PayPal. You can help me if you want to support the channel. If you think I'm doing something good, I don't plan on selling any course on my channel ever, never. I don't plan on doing that. So please, if you want to support me, that's fine. I'm here to educate and give out free information. So if there's any way you want to support me, please let me know on Instagram. And I'll be fine to send you my PayPal or Payoneer, depending on which one fits you best. If you want to support me, thank you very much. So without wasting much of time, let's go to upload our design. So for this, it's going to be a ghost town. Like you all know, COVID-19 is really causing havoc. It's really causing havoc and making the street super empty. So I thought about it, why not make a ghost-like design? So I came up with a design. This is it. This is the first one, it says ghost town, but this is the one I'm using for this design. I'll just click to open and bring it into this space. Once it's done loading, sorry about that. Once it's done loading, we're just gonna bring it in. Then I'll show you how to remove the background, because this is the free Canva Pro and you want to learn how to remove the background, which is very important. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's wait for it to load. So now that we have it, we'll just click on it once. It should appear. Yes, you have it there. Then we'll just make it bigger. Repeat over our mouse to this edge. Press our left mouse click button and drag it outwards. Move it, make sure it's positioned in the middle. And now we'll just go to download. Go to download and no, just download it. Just download it. When we are done downloading, it should appear with the white background. Then you just move it into Photoshop. You can watch the last video or the last Canva video on how to do that. You just move it into Photoshop and you have something like this. You have something without the background. You just download it. It's gonna prepare your download. Once it's done preparing your download, you should download it. And now this is where we'll move to the next stage, which is very important. The very important stage. So once it prepare your download, you should download it right about here. You see it here. You see it here. So let's just wait for that to happen. So you see it. This is it downloading. It don't need to be complicated. Once you just get it downloaded, then you move over to the next stage, which is to show the folder. Right click, open in Photoshop if you have Photoshop. This is to remove the white background if you don't want to pay for Canva Pro. So now you just click on this folded paper, you click on it once. You head over to this magic word to click on it, like the magic stick. It's called the magic word too. Click on this white and you get it out of it. Now when you click on delete, you should get it totally out. You get the white background out and you're left with the, sorry, you click on layer 0 and you click on Ctrl Z. So now you click on delete. So now you are left with the design alone. Then you just click on save. You save it as PNG. Go to save as, put a name you remember, then you save it as PNG, and that's all. Now you can transfer it to your shirt on Redbubble, T Public, Matched by Amazon, and promote it on Instagram. So to your right you see a playlist. You see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists so that you can understand more of the way it works, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a nice day.